Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Charles Schwab and Webull, two leading investment platforms. So Charles Schwab is a comprehensive brokerage firm offering a wide range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and retirement accounts with robust research tools and customer service. While Webull is newer, commission-free trading app that focuses on stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, featuring advanced charts and analysis tools, appealing to active traders and tech-savvy investors. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Charles Schwab and Webull, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about trading platforms, so Charles Schwab is a web desktop. They have mobile platforms, which is Street Mart Edge for advanced traders. And for Webull, they have web, desktop, and mobile platforms with advanced charts. And for investment options, so Charles Schwab, they have stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, futures, and international markets. And while Webull, they have stocks, ETF options, and cryptocurrency options. And for fractional shares, so Charles Schwab, they are available for S&P 500 stocks and ETFs, while Webull available for stocks and ETFs also. When it comes to research education, Charles Schwab, they have extensive research tools, third-party reports, and educational resources, while Webull, they have basic research tools and some educational resources on their platforms. And when we talk about the margin trading, so Charles Schwab is available with competitive rates. So same thing with Webull. While when it comes to robo advisory, Charles Schwab offers intelligent portfolios for automated investing, while Webull they have no robo advisory service. And for retirement accounts, so Charles Schwab they offers IRAs, 401k rollovers, and other retirement plans, while Webull they only supports IRAs. And when it comes to cryptocurrency trading, Charles Schwab have no direct crypto trading, but they are available through futures. When it comes to Webull, they offers cryptocurrency trading directly. So that's it for the simple features comparisons. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When it comes to pricing model, which is stocks and ETFs, so Charles Schwab offers $0 fees per trade. Same thing with Webull, so they are free. And when it comes to options, the fees is for Charles Schwab they have $0.65 per contract, while Webull $0.65 per contract and $0 per trade. When it comes to mutual funds, so Charles Schwab, the transaction fees for some mutual funds, they have some transaction fees but many no load options, while Webull they have no mutual fund offerings. For margin rates, Charles Schwab have tiered rates starting at 13.00%, while Webull their tiered rates is starting from 9.49%. And lastly, for crypto trading, Charles Schwab not available only on futures, while Webull they have 1% spread on crypto trades. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to platform speed, so Charles Schwab is a very fast, stable platform with advanced features. Same thing with Webull. They are fast, they have fast execution, especially for active traders. For order types, so Charles Schwab offers market, limit, stop limit, and advanced conditional orders, while Webull they offer market, limit, stop limit, and advanced order. So same thing. When it comes to charting and analysis, so Charles Schwab they have robust charting tools with extensive technical indicators, while Webull they have advanced charting tools with built-in indicators. Lastly, for research, so Charles Schwab have comprehensive research tools with third-party reports, while Webull they have basic research tools focused on self-directed investors. So that's it for the performance. So now let's go directly to customer and support. When it comes to support option, which is availability, so Charles Schwab, they are 24/7 available on phone, email, and chat support. Same thing with Webull, but in their phone support, they have limited availability. When it comes to onboarding assistance, Charles Schwab have extensive onboarding tools and dedicated financial advisors, while Webull, they have minimal onboarding assistance. When it comes to community support, Charles Schwab have active community forums and access to professional financial advisors, while Webull, they have also active online community and forums. Lastly, for educational resources, Charles Schwab have large library of articles, videos, webinars, and in-person events, while Webull, they have limited educational resources and guides. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer and support. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And when it comes to Charles Schwab pros and cons, when it comes to pros, they have stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, futures, and international markets, making it a comprehensive platform for long-term investors. They have extensive research and educational resources that helps investors make informed decisions, making it ideal for both beginner and experienced traders. They have access to dedicated financial advisors and retirement accounts like our IRAs and 401k rollovers, providing robust support for long-term financial planning. And lastly, they offers robo-advisory services through Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, allowing investors to automate their investments based on the predefined goals and risk tolerance. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, the mutual fund transaction fees can be high for certain funds, and the platform's focus on long-term investments may not suit all active traders. And while powerful, the platform may feel overwhelming to novice investors due to its wide array of features and tools. And also, the crypto trading is not supported directly, and they have limiting investment options for users interested in cryptocurrencies. And lastly, the margin rates are higher than some of its competitors, making margin trading more expensive for frequent traders. So that's it for the Charles Schwab pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Webull pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Webull have zero commission trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency, and it makes Webull highly attractive to cost-conscious traders. They have advanced charting tools with technical indicators and features tailored for active traders who want fast execution and data analysis. They support cryptocurrency trading, which is a significant advantage for users looking to diversify into digital assets. And lastly, they have fractional share trading enables users to invest in expensive stocks or ETFs with smaller amounts, making it accessible for investors with lower capital. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Webull lacks mutual funds and futures trading, limiting its appeal to users looking for more diverse investment opportunities. The educational resources and research tool are limited, which may be a drawback for beginner investors who need more guidance. And the customer support is not as comprehensive as Charles Schwab with limited phone support and less personalized assistance. Lastly, they have no robo advisory services, meaning investors must manage their portfolios manually without automated assistance. So that's it for the Webull pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Charles Schwab. So Charles Schwab is preferable for someone who prefers a full-service brokerage with a wide range of investment options, including mutual funds, bonds, and international markets. Someone who values extensive research tools, third-party reports, and access to professional financial advisors for informed decision making. Someone who wants access to retirement accounts and robo-advisory services, and making it ideal for long-term financial planning and automating investing. And lastly, someone who prefers a well-established, stable platform with a strong customer support and educational resources. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Charles Schwab is a choice for you. For the people who should choose Webull, Webull is referable for someone who is an active trader looking for zero commission tradings across stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency to reduce costs. Someone who values advanced charting tools, technical analysis, and fast execution for day trading or swing trading strategies. Someone who wants access to cryptocurrency trading directly within the platform to diversify into digital assets. Lastly, someone who prefers a simple, user-friendly mobile and desktop experience without the need for extensive financial advising or retirement planning tools. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Webull is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, when comparing Charles Schwab and Webull, both platforms cater to different types of investors. Charles Schwab is perfect for those who value comprehensive investment options, extensive research tools, and access to financial advisors, making it ideal for long-term and retirement-focused investors. On the other hand, Webull is designed for active traders who prioritize zero commission trading, advanced charting tools, and access to cryptocurrencies. So whether you're looking for a full service investment experience with Charles Schwab or a streamlined active platform like Webull, choose the brokerage that aligns with your financial goals and trading style. Both offer unique benefits that can help you take control of your financial future. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.